Today, we start our Around the Island tour in Câmara de Lobos, which is known for its picturesque scenery, traditional fishing village charm, and historical significance. The name, Câmara de Lobos, translates to Chamber of Wolves in English. The name was originated from the presence of monk seals, also known as sea wolves, that used to inhabit the area. However, the monk seal population has significantly declined, and they are now rarely seen in the region. Câmara de Lobos has a rich maritime history, and fishing has been a significant part of its culture for centuries. The colorful fishing boats and traditional fishermen's huts, known as poios, are iconic symbols of the village. The fishing industry continues to be important to the local economy, with freshly caught fish and seafood being served in the village's restaurants and markets. In addition to its fishing heritage, Câmara de Lobos offers stunning natural landscapes. The municipality is surrounded by steep cliffs and lush green hills, creating a dramatic backdrop against the Atlantic Ocean. Overall, Câmara de Lobos is a charming and picturesque destination, offering a blend of natural beauty, cultural heritage, and a traditional fishing village atmosphere. Now we prepare to embark on a thrilling ascending from FAJÃ to Cabo Jarão to the iconic Cabo Jarão viewpoint, revealing the island's awe-inspiring beauty. Cabo Jarão, one of the highest sea cliffs in Europe and in the world. Its beauty and grandeur are unparalleled. Cabo Jarão is known for its impressive sea cliffs, reaching a height of approximately 580 meters, 1,900 feet. These towering cliffs provide breathtaking panoramic views of the Atlantic Ocean, Funchal, and the surrounding landscapes. One of the main highlights of Cabo Jarão is its glass viewing platform, which was installed to offer visitors a unique perspective and a thrilling experience. The platform extends out from the cliff, allowing visitors to stand on a transparent surface and admire the dramatic drop below them. It's definitely not recommended for those with a fear of heights, but for many, it offers an exhilarating and unforgettable view. We are then arriving at FAJÁ dos Padres. FAJÁ dos Padres, a secluded oasis tucked between towering cliffs and the deep blue sea. In the next episode, we'll be flying on a beautiful and relaxing trip to the city of Ribeira Brava. Don't miss it, so don't forget to subscribe to Drone Sounds AI.